What's up everybody, BrickBard here, and today I built set number 4746. This was from this year's Christmas line, and it was a fun one. It was quite detailed inside. There is, if you remove the top, it exposes a full-on workshop within the post truck. Inside too, on the cover anyways, where all the presents were, and there's the little flap once you take this off, and a storage spot right there for all of that. Oh, just dropping her letter for Santa, don't want to do that. It's got a little wind up in the back. This is a fun little feature. Yeah, just a very fun and festive, really gets you in the mood for the holidays. And it comes with a nice older elf minifig, which is fun, very festive. He's got a little French horn emblem on his lapel there, or his collar. And then in addition to that, it comes with a nice Christmas tree build, which is a fun just display to have with some presents. This is a fun one. If you're looking to get into the Christmas spirit, this is a perfect set for you. I ended up picking this up on Black Friday and got about $15 off, so that was a solid deal. So until next time, we'll see you later.